Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to find the modes and tools screen on your Thermomix TM6. On the main page, which you can always get to by clicking on the home screen, on the home button if you don't know where you are currently, you can slide to one side to open Cookido or to the other side to open modes and tools. And here you have lots of different tools like the scales, so you can weigh something and see it's going to weigh my ingredient. Can exit out of that. There's egg boiler, pre-clean, different settings. You can see the pre-clean. There's lots of different features, and yeah, there are lots of things here. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.